Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on Sora. So as you can see here guys, I'm on the Sora AI, and to create a new folder is super easy. Look to the lower left hand side and you'll find new folder. Click on that. It's going to create a new folder, and just go ahead and type the name of the folder. So let me call this one ABC as an example. Then click and enter, and you can see that the new folder is created with the name ABC, and I can move whatever files I want to move here, or I can start by describing either a video or a picture here, and it's gonna create and generate under this folder. But I have something under media, so I'm going to show you how I will move something there. So I'm going to click on this picture here. Upper right hand side, there's three dots. Then click move to folder and select the folder, and it's going to move the file in that folder. As you can see, there's a file now in that folder. This is going to help you to organize your generation, organize your files and videos, organize your pictures and videos on Sora AI. Very easy and very simple.